Okay, show you my carrot cake. I brought it from Germany, and this carrot cake is special made. We made it without wheat flour inside. We use 110 grams of butter, 80 grams of icing sugar, and we whisk it. So a short time that it becomes a white color with butter. Then we use 110 grams of marzipan. We use 6 whole eggs, and we mix it in this special blender. You can scale in that blender and put the whole things together and mix it. Next is we have a texturizer. It calls iota. This iota is a carageenan, and in every cream you can buy there is a carageenan, like a stabilizer inside. We add 16 of these flattered spoons inside. 1, 2, 16. Then we mix it here in the blender. It makes a little bit of noise. And after a while, when you mix it, you get a creamy consistency. It's like mayonnaise. So, mix it again. And this is what I will get. It looks like a mayonnaise. Very creamy, and we need it later on to put it together with the butter. So, butter is whipped with the icing sugar together. So, now we add 80 grams of grinded almonds inside. And for the carrot cake, normally we juice it. The empty you throw, it's dry enough to prepare a cake with that. So we mix it a little bit and put the egg with the iota and with the other things together and prepare a very nice dough. So, and then we put it into the oven on a tray. We use baking paper. So. And then we put the dough on top. And this is a very nice color of carrot, and it's very natural what's inside. Less sugar. The carrot is sweet enough to give the cake a little bit sweetness. So put it a little bit on the tray. And if you like, you can try a small thing. This is a nice, and it's nice. So now we put it into the oven by 160 degrees. No steam, and 30 minutes. So next is we prepare the cream without the cream. We use 250 grams of milk, and we heat up the milk up to 80 degrees here inside this blender. So it needs around about 3 minutes. The countdown starts running. So in between we can prepare a small salad for one dish. We will prepare an orange salad. We only get the fillets of the oranges, cut off the skin, and then we cut the oranges in these natural pieces without the seeds inside. This is very important. So, and press out the liquid a little bit. We add a little bit curry inside the salad, and curry, oranges and carrot, it matches very well together because it's a dessert, but it makes it very interested in. Now it reached 80 degrees here. Switch it off. I add 40 grams of sugar and 30 grams of honey, and we put inside 1 vanilla bean, half it, and we only use the seeds for the cream. So then we add 12 flattered spoons of iota. Then we bring it to boil here in this mixer. So it needs around about 2 minutes. So, and now it starts boiling here in between. So now we mix it one time, and that's it. And then we put 250 grams of sour cream inside. So we mix it a short while. You can try, yeah? Or from the back side you can try. And you see what happened on the spoon. Iota spoon is a thickener. It becomes into a gel. When we put it here inside the espuma tin, and we have a very light cream inside the espuma tin. It's like a whipping cream flavored with vanilla and without a cream. And then close the espuma tin here and add 2 cream charger and put it in the chiller for half an hour, not longer. That is enough. And in between that time, we juice the carrots. This is a carrot juice. We use also one more or a half of a vanilla bean. Only get the seeds out. And then we use a little bit orange skin. And we use this special peeler, just a little bit. And a little bit orange juice. We mix it together. Yeah. So we can fill up a syringe with 30 ml of carrot juice. Now we start to work a little bit with the liquid nitrogen. Liquid nitrogen is a little bit dangerous. These are 196 degrees minus. We use a special container to work with it. This is a, call it Dewar dish. It looks like boiling, but after a short while, it looks like still water. You see, it's boiling, 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 boiling. So, you see, now it's a little bit like magic, like still water. This small balloon, this is a water balloon. We pump it up a little bit, fill it up with these 30 ml of carrot juice. Give him a round shape, a small shape, like this. Wrap around 2 fingers and make a dot. Cut off the oversize here, and then we give him a round shape and put it into the liquid nitrogen and let it roll the whole time. And I do not touch my fingers into the liquid nitrogen. It takes a little bit time, and after a short while we have a ball that we can fill up with the cream. So, ready, prepared. It's like a little bit of glass. And then I remove the balloon, take a knife and cut it off a little bit and remove these things. Can you put it in the freezer for a short while? Thank you. We have this blow touch, and this blow touch we heat up a small spoon. Can you give me the balloon? Yeah, thank you. We put it for a short while into the liquid nitrogen, get it out, and then we prepare a small hole inside that we can fill up the cream. Can you put it right back into the freezer? Now we can plate. Now we get the carrot cake from the oven. We cut it into nice pieces. So now cut it into pieces. Plate it a little bit. Arrange the salad made with oranges and the curry. And then we put some oranges here inside. And then we put the dehydrated carrots by side. Then we have a crispy texture on this plate. Now I need the ball again. Thank you. So we put it for a short while into the liquid nitrogen. And then we fill it up with the whipped cream. So then we put it directly onto the top from the carrot cake, and we serve it on this way to the guests. And the guests, they crack it with a spoon or with a fork and start to eat it. When they eat it, it's a little bit like carrot ice cream. Nice.